Hi, my name is Alan Chow, and I'm going to be showing you guys intro to imaginary numbers. So this is I, and it's an imaginary unit. So I is defined by the square root of -1, and there's no tangible value for I, so it's a tricky number, but anything inside of a square isn't going to equal anything. So that's how we define I. And so when we square I, it's going to be rad -1 times rad -1, and that's when I squared has an actual value, which is -1. Because rad anything times the same number is going to equal the inside of the square root. So for our I cubed, it is essentially I squared times I again. So -1 times rad 1. Rad -1, sorry. And for the last one, I to the fourth power, it would be I cubed times rad -1, which is just -1 times -1. And that equals 1. Thank you.